Hello and welcome to Captov. Today I'm going to talk to you about creating a sprint goal. A sprint goal is something that is created in sprint planning by the Scrum team. And now it's often, sometimes teams struggle with differentiating the goal from the forecast that the team creates in sprint planning. And today I want to try to help illustrate that with a quick example. So I'm going to give you a list of items and then we're going to describe what we think the goal might be. So here's a list of items, let's say that product backlog items a team, let's say, planned. So let's say first off, they're going to send off invitations. We've got to find a clown, got to bake a cake, got to get balloons and decorations, set up some games, get some gift bags ready, find baby goats, and a pony. Now, with this list of items, if you think about it, what we're trying to plan here is likely we're not trying to build a deck. We're not trying to, crochet a rug. We're not trying to, fix a roof. We're trying to have a party. We're trying to run a party. Actually, a child's party, if you think about it. We're having a birthday party. Now, so the goal, all these items, they fit together and they advance us to a certain goal and an achievement, something we're trying to achieve, an objective that we have. Now, let's say the other tests we need, so there's a difference, right? So those things all summarize up, or they all support this goal. Now, we should be able to remove items, though, from this list. So for instance, let's say we remove the baby goats. Are we still able to have a party with a clown and cake and, games and balloons and all the other things I mentioned? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely you can. Now, what if we added something new? Now, it depends what you add, but let's talk about something. So let's say you wanted to add a bouncy house. Would that retain the sprint goal? I would have to say it does. Bouncy house, all the other things, it sounds like it's just going to add to the fun of this party. If I added, let's see, wash the car to the list. I don't know. It doesn't really sound right, does it? Or, paint the deck. Not sounding quite the same. So these are those last two items I just mentioned, they don't really conform to the sprint goal. So as a team is able to pull more work in, remember it has to conform or has to support that sprint goal that you've established in sprint planning. I hope this helps. In another video, I'll talk about the importance of a sprint goal and reinforcing self-organization. It injects purpose, meaning, mission into a team, into the sprint, and it's very important to reinforce and to enable self-organization. With that, thank you for watching. Please reach out if you have any questions. I love to hear from people.